This two-handle Moen faucet is leaking at the base of the spout. I have a replacement O-ring kit, part number 96778, 2 bearing washers, and a new spout cap. To prevent any small parts from falling down the drain, cover it. Best practice is to close the shutoff valves that are under the sink. The cap turns off the top of the spout. You probably can't loosen it by hand. You might be able to loosen it using a jar grip. You'll likely need a pair of pliers. To avoid putting tooth marks on the cap from the pliers, you can use an old piece of leather or something rubbery to protect it, maybe even that jar grip. There's a bearing washer on top of the spout. There's another bearing washer down here. And then 2 O-rings. And these O-rings are probably the reason why this is leaking at the base. Best practice would be to use a O-ring puller. Be careful not to mar up the surface of the body, otherwise when you put your new O-ring on it might leak. I'll clean up these mineral deposits with a little bit of vinegar. Don't use anything abrasive, just a soft toothbrush. Otherwise, you'll scratch your faucet. Clean up the inside of the faucet spout. You want to work on where those O-rings reside, just to make sure that no debris is going to cause a leak after you put it back together. I'll put some silicone grease where the O-rings reside, and if you don't have any supplied by Moen, you can buy some at the hardware store. And slip the O-rings in place. It can smear a little grease around there. I'll put a little bit of grease on the bearing washers. That way the spout will turn nicely. Give it a little bit of a snug tight with the pliers. Open the valves. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos, and thanks for watching.